Okay, good morning student. Now today we are going to start chapter 20. In this chapter we learn about triangle. Okay, in triangle before starting it first we understand that what are collinear points, what are non-collinear points. After this we start this triangle. Okay, after this we start triangle. Okay, now let's start this collinear point. In collinear points, collinear point means suppose there have a line. This is a line segment and we take some point here. Suppose this is our A point, this is our B point, this is our C point, this is our D point. Okay, so A, B, C. Here I take some points here. Collinear points are those points which lie on the same straight line. Okay, which lie on same straight line. So this is our straight line and these are the points. Okay, which lie on that straight line is called collinear points. Hope that you understand that. Okay, now we come to this non-collinear point. In this, the point which do not lie on the same straight line. Okay, suppose this is our line and suppose here there have a point. Okay, name A. Here I have a point B, here I have a point C, here I have a point D. So those points which are not in a straight line are called non-collinear points. Clear all of you? So in this way you have to do here. No, collinear point, those points which are on a straight line. Non-collinear, those points which are not in a straight line. That's all. Okay. Now we come to next topic, triangle. In triangle, this is our triangle. I name here, it is A, it is B, it is C. Okay, so here you see this is a closed figure. Definition of this one is a closed figure bounded by the three line segment is called triangle. Okay, now a closed figure. Here you see all sides are closed now. Here. Okay, so this is a closed figure bounded by the three line segment is called triangle. Okay, let ABC be three non-collinear points. If we join them in a pair, we get closed figure bounded by three line segment. Name AB, BC, AB, BC, and CA. Okay, so we found that to denote the triangle we use this symbol. Okay, here you can write triangle A, B, C. In this way you have to write the triangle. Okay, this is the symbol of triangle. Okay, this is the symbol of triangle, this one. Okay, now in triangle ABC has, now here you see where two lines meet, that point is called vertex. What we say? Vertex. These are all na, so it is also called side. Okay, vertex, side, and this is called angle. When two lines meet, make an angle. Okay, in previous chapter you learn it. Now, to conclude this, we find that in triangle ABC there have how many vertices are there? How many vertices? It is 3 vertices. In triangle there have 3 vertices. Okay. How many sides? 3 sides. And how many angles? It have 3 angles. How many angles? It have 3 angles. Okay. Now, here all of you know, you see now, here 3 angles are there. One more very important concept is here, that sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180. Okay, sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180. This is the concept you have to keep in mind. Okay, by adding it you get how much? 180 degree. Okay, okay. Now one more thing here, that how you can write the angle. Suppose this one is there na, angle A. How you can write angle A? Angle A. Angle A. In this way you have to write angle A. And this one is angle B na? Angle B. And this one is angle C. In this way you have to write the angle. Sum of 3 angle in a triangle is 180. This is the property na. So how you can show it? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Hope that you understand that when you add these 3 angles you get 180 degree here. It is clear? Okay. Now in this topic we learn classification of angles according to side. Here I classify this angle into sidewise. Okay. Now here according to side, first one is isosceles triangle. How you can find out that the given triangle is isosceles? So in this, here if 2 sides of triangles are equal, 2 sides of triangles are equal. Suppose this is our triangle. Okay, suppose here BA is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, and AC is equal to 3 centimeter, but BC is equal to 4 centimeter. Now here you see 2 sides are equal, means AB is equal to AC. Okay, but BC is not equal to this one. So here only 2 sides are equal. So in that case you have to tell that triangle is isosceles. Clear? That triangle is isosceles. Okay, if 2 sides are equal, so then you say that triangle is isosceles. Clear? Now we come to this equilateral triangle. Here its name show it that equilateral means equal. Okay, equilateral triangle means all the 3 sides are equal. If I suppose that this side is 4 centimeter, BA, and AC is equal to 4 centimeter and BC is equal to 4 centimeter. All sides are equal. If this type of situation is that where all sides are equal, then you say that this is equilateral triangle. Okay, here you say that AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. All sides are equal. It is clear? Or you can also write here that, okay, here angle is there na, so you can also write angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. Same angles are formed. Okay, ठीक है. Now we come to scalene triangle. In scalene triangle, if all the three sides of triangles are of different length. Now in scalene triangle, suppose it is 3 centimeter, it is 4 centimeter, it is 5 centimeter. Okay, if this type of triangle is given here, then you say it all sides are not equal, so here it is scalene triangle. Clear? Hope that you understand that. Here you can also write, suppose I write A, B, C. So you have to write angle A is not equal to angle B is not equal to angle C. Clear? Is not equal to. Okay? Hope that you understand that. Now I go to next. Here in exercise 74. Now in this exercise 74, here one figure is given here. You have to find out vertex of the angle. Vertex of the angle, na? Suppose this is our triangle. Okay, name is given here L, M and N. You have to tell about vertex of the triangle. Vertex means where two lines meet. Now here this line meet na here. So you say that this one is the vertex. So first one is vertex of a triangle. Here L is there. Okay, L, M, N. So these are the vertices. You have to write here L, M and N. Okay. Now side of the triangle, B part is there. This is a part. Side of a triangle. So inside of a triangle, you see this is LM, LN and MN. So these are the LM, LN and MN. So these are the three sides. Angles of a triangles. Angle. Now here angle. Here this is the angle. This is the angle. This is the angle. So you can write angles of a triangle. Now here you see this is our angle M, angle N and angle L. Hope that you understand that. Vertex of a triangle, element, side of the triangle, angle M, angle N and LM, LN and MN. Okay. Now angle of a triangle, it is angle M, angle N, angle L. Okay. So in this question, classify the following triangle with respect to their sides. Now here in A part, you have to classify this. This one is isosceles, scalene, equilateral. Okay. So here two sides are equal and one sides are different. In question number 2, A part. So two sides are equal where it is in isosceles. Okay. If we come to B, here all sides are not equal. So here it is scalene. So in this way you have to do. Okay. Now we come to next. Measure the sides of each of the following triangles given below. Verify each of the case that sum of the length of any two sides is greater than the length of the third side. So here you have to do this question number 3. Measure side of each of the triangle given where you all have a ruler. You have to measure it. Suppose this one is given here. It is your answer number 3, A part. This type of structure is given here. You have to measure with the help of scale. Here name is given here A, B and C. You have to take the ruler or you have to measure this. What the size of this one? AB is equal to how many centimeter is there? Okay. You have to write this. Then BC equal to how many centimeter is there, and AC equal to how many centimeters there. After this you have to whenever you get this one, you get some measures here. AB is equal to some centimeter is there, B is equal to some centimeter, AC equal to some. You have to see two small side, addition of two small side is greater than the third side. Okay, so so in this way you have to verify it or prove it. Okay, addition of two small side is addition of two small side is always greater than the third side of the angle. Clear? In this way you have to prove. You have to write this one and then write this statement. Okay, so in this way you have to prove it. Clear? This is the concept. The sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. Okay, the length of any two sides of a triangle, length of any two sides of a triangle, any two sides of a triangle, or here you add one more line. The length of two small sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. Okay, so in this way you have to write and do it. Clear? Okay, now we come to next. It is possible to form a triangle by three line segment of the following length. Here question number 4 is given here. Now let me check. It is possible to make a triangle if this type of measures are given here. Suppose A is there and suppose A is given here that 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Now here you have to find out if this type of measures are given here. Is it possible to make a triangle? To find out this, first you have to see it carefully that two sides who is smaller. So here you see 8 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. You have to add this one and third side is 15 centimeter. No? 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter. How much you get here? 13 centimeter. And this one is third side is 15 centimeter. No? Now here property is that the sum of the length of smaller two side of a triangle is always greater than the length of third side. Now here third side is given 15 centimeter and when you add these two, na, so you get here 13, na, so 13 is smaller than 15, na, third side, so it is not possible to make a triangle if this type of measures are given. Okay, because it is sum of these two small sides are less than the other side. Okay, so it is not possible. So you have to write here no. Answer is no. Okay. Now we come to next. Suppose I do here C section. In C you see 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and the third side is 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter. Two small sides are there. 7 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Sum of these one 7 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. How much you get here? 13 centimeter. And the third side is 11 centimeter. Now here 7 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. You see two sides are there. Addition of these two. You get 13 centimeter here, है and addition of these two is greater than the third side. So here you say that yes, it is possible to make the triangle if this type of measure is given here. Okay, so in this way you have to do this question. Clear? Here if you add these two and if you get the same number, same side, what the third side is given here, so then if sum of these two sides and the third side are same, so you say that it is not possible to make a triangle. Okay. Okay, now we come to next, fill in the blanks. Here you all have to do. It is already discussed here. Okay, hope that you understand that. Okay, bye student.